Guru Purnima is a traditional and spiritual festival celebrated in India to honor and express gratitude towards our gurus, our teachers and mentors. The word Guru means teacher and Purnima means the full moon day. This festival is celebrated on the full moon day in the Hindu month of Ashad, which falls between June and July. On this day, people pay respect to their teachers who guide them on the path of knowledge, wisdom and truth. In Indian culture, the Guru is considered even greater than God. A popular Sanskrit shloka says, Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. This means that the Guru is considered as the creator, Brahma, the protector, Vishnu, and the destroyer, Shiva. The Guru removes the darkness of ignorance and leads us toward light and knowledge. Guru Purnima has special significance in both Hindu and Buddhist traditions. In Hinduism, it is believed that Lord Shiva was the first Guru or Adi Guru who taught the knowledge of yoga to the Saptarishis. It is also said that this day marks the birth anniversary of Vyasa, the author of the Mahabharata and the one who classified the Vedas. Hence it is also known as Vyasa Purnima. In Buddhism, Guru Purnima is celebrated to commemorate the day when Lord Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath after attaining enlightenment. On this day, people show respect to their teachers by giving them flowers, cards, and gifts. In many schools and educational institutions, special programs and speeches are organized. In spiritual traditions, disciples visit ashrams and offer prayers to their spiritual gurus. Devotional songs, meditation sessions, and satsangs are also held. Guru Purnima is a reminder of the importance of teachers in our lives. It teaches us to be humble, respectful, and grateful to those who guide us. Let us always value and respect our teachers, not just on Guru Purnima, but every day.
व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक या बटनावर क्लिक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणीला हा व्हिडिओ शेअर करा. कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये तुमचे नाव व गावाचे नाव कॉमेंट करा.